In previous video, we have seen about circulatory system and we have completed chapter 18. So the 18th chapter we have completed fully. It is about body fluids and circulation. In that chapter we have seen so many things like heart, blood vessels, blood. So this is circulatory system. In that system we have different organs. That is what? Heart, blood vessels and blood. We have seen about these things. The next, in heart, how many chambers are there? What are the blood vessels are connected to the heart? Then how that circulatory pathways happen, and single circulation, double circulation, where it is situated. These all the things we have seen. The next, blood vessels, different blood vessels we have, but mainly we have two blood vessels, that is vein and artery. What is the differentiation between the vein and artery we have seen, and about the blood. In blood, what it is present, it is RBC, WBC, platelets and plasma, and as well as some minerals are present in the blood. Then their functions also we have seen. And next, cardiac cycle we have seen, and disorder of circulatory system and the mechanism of blood clotting. That all the things we have seen in the chapter 18. So now we have completed chapter 18. In unit 5 we have many chapters. In that first 3 chapters we have completed. Chapter 18, chapter 17, 18, 16, 17, 18 we have completed. 3 chapters we have completed. One is digestion and absorption, and breathing and exchange of gases, and body fluids and circulation. Now we are entering into the new chapter. It is also very, very important, because whenever I start with new chapter, definitely I will tell about what need. In need, human physiology, the unit 5, human physiology is very, 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 very important. So concentrate on videos. Frequently you have to read your NCERT, then only we can get more marks in need. Those who are want to preparation of need, definitely you have to concentrate here in this lesson particularly. Okay. Then this is important chapter like previous chapter. Why I am saying that this is very important chapter? That means in first chapter digestion, how it is happen, how we can get nutrients, that is we know. Then in second chapter, respiration, about respiration we have seen. By the respiration only we can get energy. Then after that, third chapter, circulation, how it is circulated, that is we have seen. But this chapter is end of the process, end of the metabolic process. End of the metabolic process. I think metabolic process is a chemical process. In 2 types that we have in that is catabolic and anabolic. End of that process, that metabolic process, we will get some waste materials. That is nitrogenous waste material. That nitrogenous waste material want to eliminate. That means which want to be excrete from the body of animals. Because when you accumulate unwanted things, example, when you accumulate unwanted things in your house, what it is happening? It releases bad smell, and next it may be converted as a toxic material. Then mosquitoes will come and reproduce, and which will be number of number of mosquitoes will be increased. So these many things are happen when you accumulate unwanted things, that means waste material. So like that, all animals want to eliminate their waste products. So if it is not, it will be converted as a toxic, because that we have more toxic nitrogenous waste, less toxic nitrogenous waste we have. If it is accumulated, it will be converted very toxic, and it will create what? Many problems. End of the problems, definitely we will die. So in this chapter we are going to see about what? Elimination of excretory products. Okay, the lesson name is excretory products. Excretory products. Products and their elimination. Excretory products and their elimination. So excretory products, what are all the excretory products will be there? How it is eliminated, which organ is going to be eliminated? These all the things we will see in this chapter. So it is very important chapter, and in this chapter what are all the subtopics we are going to see? Tell me. First one is human excretory system. First one is human excretory system. Second one, urine formation. Second one, urine formation. Then third one, function of the tubules. Function of the tubules. Then fourth one is mechanism of concentration of the filter. Mechanism of filtrate. Then fifth topic is regulation of kidney function. Regulation of kidney function. And next, micturition. Then role of other organs in excretion. Role of other organs in excretion. Then disorder of excretory system. So these all the topics we are going to be covered in this chapter. So here chapter 19, this is part 1. In this chapter, this is part 1. These topics we are going to cover one by one. Before enter into the first topic, the mean human excretory system, we have different types of excretory products. Based on that, the animals are divided into 3. The next, different excretory organs we have. That all the things we have seen before enter into the human excretory system. So, what are all the excretory products we have? We have ammonia, then urea, then uric acid, then carbon dioxide, water, and ions like sodium ions, then chlorine ions, then potassium ions, and phosphate and sulfate, etc. So these are all the products is want to be excrete. This is nitrogenous waste. This nitrogenous waste, if it is accumulated in our body or in animal's body, that means which will be create many problems. Right. So ammonia, urea, uric acid, carbon dioxide, water, ions like sodium, chlorine, potassium, phosphate, sulfate, etc. These all the things, it is what? Excretory products. This product want to be eliminated. Actually, ammonia here it is very toxic nitrogenous waste. Which one? Ammonia. Ammonia is toxic nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste. Which one is the least? That means uric acid. Uric acid as well as urea is also less toxic nitrogenous waste. So for ammonia elimination we need more water. More water content we need. More water we need to eliminate the ammonia. But whereas uric acid or urea, if you want to be eliminated, then we need less water. So ammonia is a excretory products in fishes, then aquatic amphibians, like that. Because it is present in the water, then only it can use more water to release ammonia, to excrete ammonia. But those who live in terrestrial, that means on land, the maximum release urea and uric acid. They need only less water because for conservation of water. Because every animals need water molecules in a particular level, so that it use less water to excrete the urea and uric acid. So this is about excretory products, and it need how much of water. The next one, based on the excretory products, the animals are divided. Okay, aminotelic, and uricotelic and ureotelic. So based on the products, we have divided into three types of animals. aminotelic and uricotelic and ureotelic. Aminotelic, that means their waste product is ammonia. Their waste product is what? Ammonia. Uricotelic, that means uric acid. Ureotelic, that means their waste product is mainly urea. So based on that, they are divided into 3. Okay, right. The next one, which animal release ammonia? Which animals release uric acid? Which animals eliminate urea? That means aminotelic. Aminotelic. So which animal release ammonia? They call it as aminotelic. Otherwise we can say aminotelism. Aminotelism. Okay. So which animal? That means actually aminotelism, that means process of excreting ammonia is known as aminotelism. That particular animals is called as aminotelic animals. Example for aminotelic: bony fishes and aquatic amphibians, and aquatic insects. So they are release what? Ammonia. So the process of excreting ammonia is known as aminotelism. Bony fishes, aquatic amphibians, aquatic insects are example for aminotelic animals. Then another one, that aminotelic type of animals, how it is releasing, because mainly it is live in water. Ammonia want to be removed, that means we need more water, that is I have said earlier. So how it is released? That means by the diffusion. Actually diffusion by body surface or gills. It is as a, how it is eliminated? It is ammonium ions. Okay. So that animals excrete their waste products by diffusion process. Diffusion process where does happen? That means body surface or gills surface. Through the water only it is released. That's why it needs more water. It is released as a ammonium ions. Okay, the ammonia excreted as a ammonia ions through the body surface and gills surface. Okay, here in this aminotelic animals, the kidney do not play any role. Kidney do not play any role. Okay. So this is about aminotelic. Then next one, ureotelic. Ureotelic mainly it is release what? Urea. Okay. That urea, how it is released? It is released by kidney. Here kidney is main role to release urea. And next one, uricotelic. That is release what? Uric acid. Here the example for uricotelic, mammals. We can see mammals. Here uricotelic, birds. We can see some reptiles and insects also. So these are all the example for uricotelic, and the mammals is example for ureotelic. Right. Then next, some mammals, some terrestrial amphibians also. Some terrestrial amphibians also. Some terrestrial amphibian also is doing what? Release the urea. And next one, some marine fishes. Some marine fishes also release urea. So urea and uric acid is lesser toxic. It need less amount of water to eliminate, that means to excrete. Right? The next one, here we have one question: does the marine fishes, mammals, amphibians, and birds, reptiles, and insects, whether does it produce ammonia or not? That means it will produce ammonia, but it is converted as a urea. Actually, ammonia converted as a urea in liver. In liver, actually it is converted as a urea. Then the urea is taken by blood and it is eliminated by kidney. It is eliminated by kidney. So ammonia is produced in marine fishes, mammals, amphibians, but it is converted in liver as a urea. Then it is transported in blood and it is eliminated through the kidney. So this is happen in uricotelic and ureotelic, because here it is uric acid. Right. The next one, the birds and reptiles and insects release the uric acid, like uric acid in the form of pellet or paste. So this like they are going to be released. Which one? Uric acid which will be eliminated as pellet form or paste form. But urea in water, I think through the kidney only it is eliminated. So it needs less amount of water. In the urine only it has urea. It can release the urea. Right. This is about the monotelic, uricotelic and ureotelic. I hope you all understood that. Next one, we are going to see what are the organs involved in that. Still now we have seen what are the excretory products. Based on the excretory products, we have divided into three types of animals, that is ammonotelic and uricotelic. Now we are going to see what are all the organs involved in the elimination. Actually, the organ is divided into two: simpler tubular form, and next one complex tubular form. So this two things eliminate waste product. Simpler tubular form, example is protonephridia, and nephridia, and another one complex tubular form is kidney, because it is advanced level. Which one? Complex tubular form. Okay. Then here in simpler tubular form we can say Malpighian tubules also. Malpighian tubules. Yes. So protonephridia, and next one nephridia and Malpighian tubules, and here complex tubular form is kidney, because it is present in more complex form of animals. Right. So protonephridia, in what animals it is present? Protonephridia or flame cells, we can say. It is present in platyhelminthes, the big flatworm, example planaria, and next one platyhelminthes and rotifers and some annelids, as well as cephalopodid. Cephalopodida, example Amphioxus. These all the animals, platyhelminthes, example planaria, rotifers, some annelids, cephalopodid like Amphioxus, that all the things which consist of what? Protonephridia or flame cells. By that, it is released what? Their nitrogenous waste material. The next one, nephridia. Next one is what? Nephridia. The nephridia which is present in earthworm and annelids. Earthworm and some annelids. In those animals, what it is present, nephridia is present. So it releases their waste products and it is maintaining the ionic balance and fluid balance. And ionic balance. So protonephridia also maintain the fluid balance and ionic balance. That means osmoregulation. Osmoregulation is regulated by protonephridia flame cells and nephridia also. So both of the things which maintain the osmoregulation, then only it can live, because the fluid which will be regulated in our body and as well as that ionic substance also won't be regulated. Okay, right. Then next one, Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules which is present in the insects and cockroach also. In cockroach also, the Malpighian tubules are present, and all insects which consist of Malpighian tubules to eliminate their waste product. The next one, last one, antennal glands or green glands, which is present in the prawn. Prawn, you know, it is live in marine. So that prawn, which consists antennal gland or green glands to release their waste products. In next topic, we are going to see about kidney, that means human excretory system. So the protonephridia, nephridia, Malpighian tubules present in what animal, and what it is doing, that means it is regulate the fluid balance as well as ionic balance. Okay, right. Then next, our topic is human excretory system. Our next topic is human excretory system. Human excretory system. So human excretory system, which consists one organ, that is kidney. So in this chapter, in this topic, we are going to see about kidney, where it is situated, what is the weight of kidney, what is the function of kidney, what are the parts present in the kidney, that is we are going to see. If they will ask human excretory system, draw a neat labeled diagram of human excretory system. In this diagram you have to draw. Here you can ask one question. Why it is not equal? It is upper side, that means somewhat it is upper than the right kidney. Left kidney is upper than the right kidney. Because of here in our body liver is present. So that's why naturally it is present lower side, that means lower than the left kidney. It have capsule, that is renal capsule. Renal capsule. Renal capsule. It is cover the kidney. Next one. From the blood vessels, the small branch of blood vessels which is entered into the kidney. Here also it is entered. because these two blood vessels are main blood vessels. One is vena cava, one is vena cava, and another one is the aorta. Another one is the aorta. Aorta is artery, vena cava is vein. So from the aorta it receives what? That is oxygenated blood. Actually it is impure blood that is entered into the valve in the kidney. Here vena cava is vein. Actually after filter the eliminate after filter the excretory products, the blood again it is entered into the vein. So in vein we have what? Pure blood. That means there we don't have waste product, but in the artery there we have waste product, but it carry the oxygenated blood. Here veins carry the deoxygenated blood. Don't confuse that. Right. The next one, from the kidney one tube is arrived, that is ureter. From the kidney one tube will be arrived, that is ureter, that is connected to the urinary bladder. It is connected to the urinary bladder. Here we have urethra. Urethra is single tube, but ureter we have two tubes, from the left kidney, from the right kidney. And next, this is renal artery. Renal artery. Another one, this one, renal vein. Renal vein. Okay, why it is called as renal vein, particularly renal artery? That means renal, which denote what? Kidney. From the aorta, from the vena cava, one branch of blood vessel is entered into the kidney. So it is taken the blood to the kidney. So it is called as renal artery, renal vein. Right. Then next we have, this is renal capsule. Renal capsule. It is what? Ureter. Ureter. So in next diagram you will see a longitudinal section of kidney. This is the human excretory system. Now we are going to see longitudinal section of kidney. That means one kidney. I will explain that. So here what will enter? The renal vein and renal artery, which is enter into the kidney. Okay. Here we have renal capsule which cover the kidney. Okay. The next. This is the LS of kidney. LS of kidney. Here we have renal vein. This is renal artery. Then this is ureter. This is capsule, this renal capsule. In this area is known as cortex. Then we have two main zones. The outer zone is cortex, inner zone is medullary prominence. It is conical masses. It is conical masses shape. That's why it is medullary prominence. Next one, here in between the two medullary pyramid that we have one column, that is renal column. It is called as what? Renal column. It is called as renal column. Renal column otherwise is known as column of Bettini. It is column of Bettini. Column of Bettini. The next one funnel shaped structure is present here. That is renal pelvis. It is called as renal pelvis. Then here the ureter will be arranged and the blood vessels also enter. So this area is called as hilum. It is called as hilum. So it is exit and entry site. The kidney exit and entry site is hilum. After the hilum only we have renal pelvis. In the renal pelvis, it is funnel shaped structure. After that we have medullary prominence. After that we have cortex. So outer zone is cortex, inner zone is medullary prominence. Sir, actually kidney where it is located? That means it is located in level of last thoracic and third lumbar vertebra. And next one, it is close to dorsal inner wall. So where it is situated? It is close to dorsal inner wall. Ventral side we know, dorsal side we know. Dorsal side that means back side, ventral side means front side for us. So it is close to the dorsal inner wall. So back side is present. And next one, the level of last thoracic, in the last thoracic. And next one, third lumbar vertebra. It is particularly located in the lumbar region vertebra. in the thoracic cavity. So this is the presence of what? Kidney. And next one, on the kidney we have one gland, that is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. In both kidney, adrenal glands are present. It is endocrine glands. Okay, right. The next one, what is the size? That means the length of kidney is length is 10 to 12 centimeter. Length. And next one, 5 to 7 width. And next one, thickness is 2 to 3 centimeter. So centimeter, 5 to 7 centimeter width, thickness. Okay. Then weight. Weight is 120 to 170 grams. Okay. So this is the size of kidney and the weight of kidney, 120 to 170 grams, and here length is 10 to 12 centimeter, width is 5 to 7 centimeter, thickness is 2 to 3 centimeter. So where it is located in the last thoracic and beginning of the lumbar region. In the third vertebra it will present, and it is back to the back area. In the close to dorsal inner wall it is present. Okay. After hilum only, here after hilum only the pelvis are present. It is funnel shape. Then outer layer is cortex, inner side is medullary pyramid, and the renal column are present because that cortex is extend in between the medullary pyramid. So that renal column are known as column of Bettini. Column of Bettini. So here in the medullary pyramid and cortex, millions of nephrons are present. That nephrons is unit of kidney. That nephrons filtrate the excretory waste, that waste product that will be enter into the pelvis. Then it is enter into the hilum. Then through the ureter it is enter into the urinary bladder. After that it is eliminated by urethra. I mean it is released by urethra. This is about human excretory system. Okay. Hereafter we are going to see about nephron, how it is doing their function. Okay, right. I hope you all understood that what are the excretory products, and next what are the organs to be excreted. The next, human excretory system, that means kidney and the longitudinal structure of kidney we have seen. In that we have seen what are different parts. What are all the parts present in the human kidney. Right. Thank you. Concentrate on videos, and after watching the videos you have to read NCERT book, then only you can understand. If you have any doubt you can ask. Thank you very much.